What's up everyone and welcome to another bonus tutorial. In this video we're drawing the Plague Doctor from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page with the glasses. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a circle, going all the way around, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw a slightly smaller circle on the right side. So we're going to move over and draw in another circle. Let's connect the inside of the glasses with a straight line. Now we move over towards the right side. We're going to curve this out and then down towards the tip of the beak. Let's go to the left side of the glasses. I'm going to curve this out and then back in. And from here it's going to go straight across, bend that up. I'm just going to pull this across and then down towards the tip of the beak. Let's go back over towards the left side. I'm just going to curve this down and then in. Straight across towards the front. And we'll bend this down towards the tip of the beak. Let's add some rivets along the top of the beak. Starting on the left, start with a small dot. Leave a gap. Just going to continue this all the way across towards the right side. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the head. Starting from the top of the right eye, it's going to curve up and then out towards the left. Let's round up the end of the head, come down. I'm just going to pull this in towards the bottom of the foot to right about there. Let's line up with the outside of the right eye, come down underneath the beak, come down, and then just bend this in towards the same height we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down, and then up, go to the right side, and then we'll do the same thing. Let's go to the inside of the left leg, draw a straight line going up, and then we'll curve the body going out and up towards the right. Let's go to the inside of the right leg, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now I'm going to move back up to the top and draw on the hat brim, starting from the left side of the head. Go out, bend this up, and just hook that down in the middle. Now we'll draw on the right side, going up, around, and then back in towards the side of the head. And then we'll draw the top of the hat. Starting on the right side, draw a straight angle line going up and over towards the left. Let's go all the way over towards the left side, angle out towards the left side, and we'll connect the top with a curve, going up, and then back down. Let's add the backpack on the left side of the body. Starting at the very top, it's going to curve out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up. And then we'll round out the side of the backpack. Starting from the top, go out, down, and then in. Let's add the doctor's clothes on top of the body. We start over on the left side, it's going to curve down in the middle, round this out, and pull that up on the right. Let's line up with the inside of the left leg, go all the way up to the top, draw a straight line coming down to right about there, line up with the inside of the right leg, and draw another straight line. And then from the inside, we're just going to curve down and then out towards the side of the body. Let's connect the inside points with a curve, coming down and then up. And then we'll draw on the collar. From the top on the left, step over, curve in, and then down, go over towards the right side, and do the same thing. And then we'll add the pockets on the side. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming in, and draw a short line coming down. Let's line this up on the right side, going out, and then a short line on the inside. And I will separate the bottom of the feet. Starting from the bottom of the coat, curve down, and then up, go to the right side and do the same thing. And that's pretty much it. There's the Plague Doctor from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's bonus lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.